Greetings again from Side, Turkey. It is 13th of June 2025, sunny Friday, and this is the earliest that I have went to the beach on my vacation. And it is day 7, the last full day, as tomorrow I'm gonna be heading to my hometown of Stockholm, Sweden. And I'm once again on this beautiful, relaxing beach without any sunbeds, but check this out. So I have been seeing this type of tapes the previous days, but I never didn't come to see the sign which says that this is a sea turtle nest, and please do not disturb. Anyone who damages sea turtles and their nests will face a fine of 387,000 Turkish lira. That's around 9,000 euros, I think. So let's not go any near by that. And there's not just one, there are a few more sea turtle nests. And I was wondering what it is that is here. So I can see at least 8, 9 on just on this beach, which is quite fascinating. And oh my god, the sand is burning. The floor is lava. Oh my god! The floor is lava indeed. 30 degrees Celsius in the air. And we're gonna check out also right now the temperature in the Mediterranean Sea as well. That has a bit more waves today. I'm not sure if it is from the boats that are passing by or just some wind that is going on. But yeah, I really enjoy coming to this beach. It is my favorite beach in Sida, as I obviously am not a fan of sunbeds, which the west beach on the other side is full of. And this is quite amazing and nice. And yesterday I was running here along the beach 5 kilometers, and there were lots of different types of beaches, including piers, that I usually like and visit in Sweden. Okay, I think it's enough of measurements in the water. 28, let's say. It's between 28 and 27, but I'm gonna round up to 28 because the water feels hot indeed. And right here at the sea turtle nest, but I don't think it's sea turtle nesting period right now. So yeah, I got up quite early today for a change. I'm not sure why, but maybe because of my run yesterday I went to sleep a bit earlier as well, at 1 a.m. instead of 2. And I got up at 9, so I still got 8 hours of sleep regardless, which is good, as I usually sleep quite less than that in Stockholm. All right, so let's hit the waters and enjoy in yet another beach adventure. So tomorrow my transfer to the airport is at 9 a.m. but I have seen that the sunrise here in the city is at 5:30 approximately. So I'm gonna be heading to the beach early in the morning tomorrow for the last swim. Not sure if I'm gonna come here or the west beach, which is a bit closer, but I want to see the sunrise also. So all right, so with Kris, the last day of my vacation. Let's hit the waters and enjoy it. Beautiful day in ancient Side, because behind me it's not just turtle sea nests, but also ancient town and ancient civilization of the people that have been living here at the time around just after Jesus Christ was born, from Roman times. The Apollon temple is from 150 after Christ AD. So let's go. I think it has been quite a while since I have had this relaxing vacation. Okay, in Rhodos that I was recently on, it was also a bit relaxing, but it was because I became sick for 2 days, so I was forced to not roam around that much. But it's also nice for a change to enjoy a bit. There weren't that many adventures this time, but I am saving myself for some other trips. And obviously, in Sweden, I'm not having adventures every day with the cycling to the sea or the beautiful lakes. All right, let's enjoy a bit, few more minutes here in the water. I will be enjoying here a lot here today. And with this wonderful view of this beach with where the sea turtle nests actually are located, with a fine of 9,000 euros if you disturb them. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Greetings from Side, Turkey, and hopefully I'm gonna make another episode tomorrow before I depart to the airport. I'm really looking forward to check my plans and see if they have survived for a week without me. And it's gonna be 26 degrees Celsius when I arrive tomorrow in Sweden, which is insanely hot for Sweden. So yeah, cheers and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris. And just to mention that I have put my thermometer on my towel on the sun, and it says, okay, now it's a bit lower, but previously it was 40 degrees Celsius. Now when I put it up, it goes to 37 on the sun. So if I put it like this, it will go more up. Okay, now it's 36. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know that even though it is 30 degrees in the air, that is under shadow. Under sun, it's at least 35 based on the thermometer, but if you lay down without the wind, it's gonna be 40 degrees Celsius, which is insane. That's how hot it is in Turkey. You can see that. So cheers, and I'm gonna be enjoying here on the beach, soaking up the warm weather and swim in the sea, obviously. Cheers from Side, Turkey.